Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once the palmrest is free, be careful not to pull it all the way up as there's still some cables to disconnect underneath. Lift the palmrest partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Push open the locking clip and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove the two bezel screw covers. And remove the two 3mm screws from the bezel. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel. And lay the panel back into place. Replace the 4 3mm screws. Replace the bezel, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 3mm screws back into the bezel, and replace the screw covers. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable and the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the device back over and tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.